Welcome, my friends. My name is Luis Manuel Suarez Torres. I want to invite you to Cacota, Norte Santander. I pleasant tourist seat with a beautiful, with yet and rich gastronomy, with with invite you to the lagoon where you can come if you wish. Also enjoy the water and the park that is located in the center of town. You can visit Uzbekistan, a bus from the terminal in the city of Cucuta. It will take you about 60 minutes to head there. At night, you can transport yourself yourself in the beautiful dance buses. In the pine forest, you can camp if you bring your tent or with office is there for better comfort. Enjoy your enjoy your beer and our delicious food. If you want to stay longer, you can stay at the hotels in the town. We are waiting for you. Don't know. My this adventure full of beautiful landscapes to go to go. Thank you.